Today we're removing the stereo from a 2007 Acura MDX. We have many other videos on our website at carstereohelp.com for the most recent and up-to-date listings of what's available for help. We're going to start with the left side of the dash here. We have this radio in shop for the CD not working today, and we're going to pry this panel up, and the wood grain part is going to come up here, work along the edges to release clips, and all the clips release with pry pressure. There are 5 clips here. You can see them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. When those release, the panel will come off. Next we're going to move down to the end of the dash on the passenger side, and we're going to remove this panel on the end of the dash, and this will pop back and then come out from around the back of the weather stripping down the door sill there, or the door opening. We're going to remove this one screw at the end of the wood grain finish panel here as well, and then we're going to come back and take our pry tool, and this panel usually pries up and will release all the way across. Now we're going to pull that panel back and remove it. Again, the same clips are on the back of this panel that were on the back of the other, just quite a few more. And this is going to allow us to move up to the car stereo. Now we're going to move to the mounting screws for the car stereo. There is one here on the left. Looks about like an 8mm with a Phillips head, so we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver on this. There's one above the one we just removed. I'm going to move over to the right side and remove the bottom screw. The upper screw as well. These screws seem to be a couple inches long, so it takes a little while to unscrew these. Like I said, we also have other videos on our website at carstereohelp.com. Please see our site for help, for repair, and so on. Now we're going to grasp the bottom of the radio, and as we do that, this panel below pops right out. So 2 clips, this can be set to the side as well. And we're going to pull the radio from the dash. This happens to take the GPS and everything with it as well. And we're going to set the parking brake, turn the ignition on, and shift to a lower gear. This will give us a little bit more room on the back here. And we're going to start up here at the top at the AC controls. There are several connectors. They all have triggers on the top that you push down in and release. Same with the second connector. These are easy because they're green and gray and match right up. Next we're going to get down to the car stereo here. And at the top we have our little antenna, the trigger on the top. We have a power connector, trigger on the top. We have antenna trigger or connector at the side on the bottom here, and the trigger for this one is on the side. And that will release. Now we'll get back to the easy ones again with all the triggers on the top. These connectors are all keyed, so they go back and fit only one spot, so there's no need to mark them as to where they go. This one has a smaller trigger on it, so we're going to use a little pry tool to go down on it, and there we go. Now we're going to come forward, and we're going to go all the way to the bottom to remove one more piece here, one more connector. And that's it. All these connectors again, looks like such a bundle, but again, they may look similar, but they are all different, so they go back to one spot. Now we're going to have to take this into the shop and remove the display from it. and the bottom the top display unit gets removed with a couple of screws here. Remove the stereo from the bracket and keep the AC and so on. But sending this into the shop, we will be able to take care of this in most cases. Hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. See our other videos at carstereohelp.com and see if we can answer your questions. Thank you.